Hello everyone, welcome back to my another new practice video. After a long time, I'm trying to make a video. Uh, I couldn't make any videos because of my busyness. I was very busy with my official work. For this, I can't make any video. Today, I'm trying to make a video. In a foggy morning, you can see in front of me, though it is about the end of the winter season. After that, today's environment is actually today's morning is too much foggy, and at a time we can see a beautiful sunshine. And as I'm now in my village, we know that village life is always beautiful life. If you like nature, if you like the agriculture farming, if you like the if you like to take the feel of the soil, then you will enjoy the village life. But if you don't live in a village in your life, then you can't feel this natural beauty, and you can't feel the love of the village soil and the love of the village people. And you will never get this kind of morning in your city life that you will get in a village life. So I'm feeling so great to coming my village, and today I'm enjoying the morning very much. And I am always a nature lover person. If you love nature, then you can tell me in the comment box. And in front of me you can see some trees. Actually, I'm now in front of a bar flower tree. It's mean kodam gas, kodam full. It is another beauty of this moment, because around my house there are many trees, mango trees, and you can listen the chirping of the birds. I hope you can listen the chirping of the birds. Actually, it is a morning bird. I don't know the name of this bird, but this bird every day knock at the door and at the window in the morning, and they will help you to wake up from the bed by their chirping and hitting the window. So I'm trying to express my feelings of a good morning, and today I have woke up about 6 a.m. and I'll take my breakfast after finishing this video, and then I will go to my office after finishing my breakfast. Today I have a work. Actually, I have an official work to participate in a training as a trainer, and I will go to this training after 2 hours. So in this training there are 30 participants in every base. You can hear the sound of the village boys. They are running and they are enjoying the good morning. Actually, we know that the village boys are always called spirited boy. Actually, spirited boy means Damal Chel. So, thank you very much for giving me opportunity to make a video in this kind of beautiful morning. Thanks, my God, to give me an opportunity to make a video in this morning.